Good morning everyone, my name is Purti. Today is 15th August. We are celebrating Independence Day. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Independence Day is our national festival. Independence Day is our national festival. We got independence on 15th August 1947. This year is our 78th Independence Day. We got freedom from the British rule on this day. It is very important day for all of us. We remember the freedom fighters on this day. This day teaches us the power of unity. It is very proudful day for our country. It is declared an national holiday. We host the national flag on this day. We sing our national anthem. All Indians celebrate this Independence Day with joy. We should understand the importance of on this day. I am proud to be an Indian. I love my country very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you very much. I need to understand myself. Hi, good morning to one and all. Myself, my name is Vasavi. I am telling about speech. Today is 15th August. I wish you very happy Independence Day. India got freedom on this day in 1947. It is a national festival of India. I love my country very much. Thank you for giving this golden opportunity. Have a nice day. Respected principal, teachers and my dear friends, good morning and very happy Independence to all of you. My name is Ishita. Today we are celebrating Independence Day of India. My heart is filled with pride and the slogan and Bal Gangadhar Tilak slogan, freedom is my birthright and I shall have it. As we all know that India gained independence from 200 years of offensive British colonial rule on August 15, 1947. This day reminds us of the sacrifices made by our brave ancestors who fought for our freedom. We stand here enjoying the fruits of their struggle. Independence is not just about a flag flying high in the sky. It's about the freedom to dream, to learn and to achieve. As students, we are the future of our nation. Each of us have a responsibility to nurture our talents and contribute positively to society. This day reminds us of the people who fought to secure our freedom and people who are continuing to protect it. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Celebrating Independence Day. Independence Day is the national festival of India. We got freedom on 15th August. We remember our freedom fighters on 15th August 1947. I love my country very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you. అందరికీ నమస్కారాలు. నా పేరు శౌర్యరంగన్. నేను విజన్ పాఠశాలలో 4వ తరగతి చదువుతున్నాను. ముందుగా నేను మీకు స్వాతంత్ర దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు చెబుతున్నాను. ఈ స్వాతంత్రం మనకు 1947వ సంవత్సరం ఆగస్టు 15వ తేదీ మనకు స్వాతంత్రం వచ్చింది. ఈ స్వాతంత్రం కోసం ఎందరో వీరులు పరిగణించారు. ఉదాహరణకి గాంధీజీ, భగత్ సింగ్, చాచా నెహ్రూ ఈ ఆగస్టు 15వ రోజు ప్రతి పాఠశాలలో ఆటపాటలు నిర్వహించి బహుమతులు ఇస్తారు. తర్వాత మళ్ళీ అందరికీ స్వాతంత్ర దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు.